Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. This is Markets Today. I'm Sakshi, and here is a full wrap up of the day's trade today as far as the stock markets go. Well, it's been yet another good day for the markets. No complaints from the investors right there. We did see intraday about 900 points being seen on the Sensex on the upside, although it did come off, slight profit taking coming off in the last 1 hour of trade, but still the Sensex managed to end higher by almost 570 odd points. The Nifty also topped the 17,800 mark as well. So in case you want to know about the details as to the stocks that were in news, well, you had the stocks of Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, IndusInd Bank, Tata Steel, Titan, Bajaj Finserv, ICICI Bank, Asian Paints, and even HCL Tech among the top BSE Sensex gainers. On the flip side, however, you did see stocks like Nestle, Power Grid, Infosys, Reliance Industries as the top industry laggards. The Bank Nifty, however, outperformed at 1.5% almost uptick at 41,468 to shut shop on a positive note as well. What other were the key highlights from markets? If you see the National Stock Exchange, you will get to know as far as these sectors go. All the sectors managed to end in the green after a very sharp positive session in today's trading session. You had gains coming in from the pharma pack that led from the front in today's trading session. You had banks that were rising, 1.4% uptick for that one. The auto stocks in the fastest lane today, 1.6% uptick for that one. The realty also held their ground, 1.5% uptick from that one. The metals were shining bright. The ID stocks, FMCG, all of them really rallying quite sharply. So it's been a very good day for the markets. As far as the market breadth is concerned, you did see 43 advances to 7 declines as far as the Nifty is concerned. The top gainers on the Nifty index, you had Apollo Hospital, Cipla, Sun Pharma, all those laggards of some of the last few days are actually now in the front line. 4.5% kind of an uptick for that one. The auto stock, Aisha Motor, that was the limelight today. 3.3% uptick for that one. IndusInd Bank also rallying 3% continuously, rallying, its way forward. What did not do well? Well, some stocks from the pharma pack, like Nestle, that was dragging. Shree Cement was seen dragging. Grasim also from the same pack. Slight losses coming in for that one. Power Grid and Infosys not really performing to that extent. But broader markets, the mid and the small cap indices, still seeing handsome gains coming about 1.5% uptick for the mid caps, outperforming all the other major indices. The small caps up by 1%. But what's going to be important for you to track is going to be the India VIX, the volatility index or the fear gauge that was down 5.7%, 18.7, comfortable levels for the bulls to really continue their upward rally. But remember, this is coming right at the time when the FOMC meeting is underway. We will get to know about as to how the US Fed really progresses as far as the interest rates are concerned. So far, most of the analysts and the experts do believe that the markets are somehow pricing in a 75 basis points kind of a high coming in. However, if the US Fed surprises on the negative side, that means 100 basis points uptick from here on as far as the interest rates go, then there could be some knee-jerk reaction. But otherwise, the Indian markets, which have so far outperformed the global markets, may continue to be rallying from the front going forward from here as well. As far as the other highlights go, financial stocks continue to support the headline indices. You had ICICI Bank, HDFC Twins as the top gainers from the sector. Pharma stocks really coming back into flavor. The other majors included like Canfin Homes that continued to fall after the CEO's resignation, down 11% in 2 days. So keep that stock on the downward radar. Also, Granules, India Cements, Delta Corp, PVR were the top mid-cap losers today. Those were the other highlights in today's trading session. As far as the in central bank is concerned, the RBI is likely to take a 50 basis points in hike in the next meeting, as per Hirendra Dev of HSBC India. So keep that in mind. As far as the US Fed is concerned, we will also start to shift focus on how the central bank back at home will really tackle inflation and the growth concerns at large as well. With that, I wrap up this edition, but do stay tuned on to Business Today TV for a whole lot more of update coming in from the world of business and stock markets right up on your screen. So don't go anywhere.